everyone, Mallory Cameron here. I am going to show you how you can take attendance in your meeting of Microsoft Teams. So you're going to click on your hyperlink. So this is my 7th period meeting. You'll notice that it's going to prompt me to open the Microsoft Teams application. If you have not yet downloaded the application, it's going to give you the option to download or to continue in the browser. I'm going to open up the application because I have it downloaded. And you'll notice that it pops up with this window, which gives you the feature to toggle on and off your camera, toggle on and off your microphone, and also has a feature to select a different background if you don't want your classroom or wherever you are showing in the background. Then I will join now. Once I join and it connects, if you already have students waiting in your lobby, so remember we want the privacy to be set where you're the only one that can bypass the lobby, so students are able to join the meeting before you get in there. So right now I have a student that is waiting in the lobby for me to start. If this were my class, my 7th period class, I would start this meeting or click on the link to start the meeting at the end of 6th period. I would run to the restroom, do whatever I have to do during class change, and then as 7th period is about to begin, I would click on Show Participants. What that's going to do is it is going to show me who is waiting in the lobby, so what students are ready to join my class, as if I were having them stand outside the door before I welcome them in, and who's currently in the meeting should only be yourself until you grant people access into your room. So when it's about time for class to start, I would pull up Skyward and I would have it side by side on my screen. And as I go one by one, marking who is present, who's in my room, I would check them in so that they can join the class, and I would mark them as present. And I would continue that process until I have all the students waiting in my lobby, now joining my class. Then as I have started my meeting and everyone's in, you'll get this little notification if someone else is wanting to join, meaning they're tardy to your class if they weren't there by the start of your class period. And anyone else that didn't join is obviously absent. So that's one way that you can take attendance. That's the way that I'm going to go and take it each day. But Microsoft Teams also has a cool feature that gives an attendance list. So when you are on this People tab, remember I clicked on Participants to get to that, up at the top you'll see these 3 dots for more options. When you click on that and go down to Download Attendance List, it will say that it is downloading, and then it's going to go to your Downloads file in your computer, and it's going to create this Excel spreadsheet. So on this Excel spreadsheet, it's going to give the name of the participant, so it'll show your name, but it'll also show your students, and then it's going to show if the user joined the meeting, left the meeting, if they joined again, and so on. It'll give a date stamp and a time stamp so that you're able to see, oh, did Judy come in at 9:15 and then she left again at 9:16, so she wasn't actually attending my full class type of thing. But it'll also let you see who didn't come on a certain day at all. So you could go through after classes started at the end of class and take attendance that way. So it has 2 ways that you could go about doing it, right as you're granting them access through Skyward, or later on using that attendance list. The attendance list is beneficial if you're using this same meeting for 7th period every single day, which you can do. You would have this running log of every time that somebody joined or left your meeting, just as documentation purposes for you. It would show every single day that you hosted the meeting, every single participant that joined, left, what time they came in, and what time they left. Okay? So I hope that that is helpful for you and gives you an easy way to take attendance. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.